Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Flexi's home connector Flexi. This is a prepaid LTE plans for home use. You need a router in order to use the SIM card. Initially, you're going to need to put in the SIM card into your phone until you receive the settings. Once you receive the settings, you put it into the router and you'll be good to go. So I walked into a Flexi store with my ID and proof of residence. It's quite easy to get. But before you do that, you need to come onto this website, which is just type in Flexi home connector Flexi. Go onto the Flexi website, put in your address, and check your coverage. And here you can see the area is covered. This page only shows you one of the bundles that they offer. This is the cheapest one. It's 5 gig anytime and 5 gig night data, valid for 30 days. I'm not sure why it says 30 days because this data carries over till the end of the next month. But anyway, it's quite cheap compared to other data packages. So what we're gonna do today is just go through it, see whether this stuff's worth it. Here's some of the other bundles that they're offering. The 20 gig, which is actually 10 gig for 139, or the 50 gig for 179, 100 gigs for 199. 200 gigs, 400 gigs, and a massive 1 terabyte, which I think we all would love to have, for $8.99. Now the 1 terabyte, which is 1000 gigs, it's anytime data, so it's not half and half. So it seems like a good deal. This is probably one of the cheapest packages for that amount of data. We're gonna test it out today and see how it goes. Some of the questions, like frequently asked questions: can you use this home connector Flexi while you're on the move? Well, it says it's designed for use in a fixed location, and that's when it'll perform its best. Should you move outside of the coverage area, they accept no responsibility for that. Right, you know how to check the coverage. I just showed you. You enter your address and it'll tell you whether your area is covered or not. So where can you buy it from? These are the places: Flexi app, the Flexi website, or by dialing this USSD code. Is there a limit to the number of home connector Flexi bundles? No, customers can buy as many as they want. That's good. On which prepaid plans can a customer buy? You see, if you have an old Flexi SIM card that has been registered over 10 days, you won't be able to switch to this tariff plan. You're going to have to go into a Flexi store with your relevant documents so that they can register a new SIM card for you. It's quite quick and painless. I suggest you carry your 59 Rand with you so they can activate the bundle immediately. So how you can check your balance, that's through the app, the website, USSD code. This is an important one. Will I be charged out of bundle rates when I've used all my in-bundle data? There's no out of bundle charge. So that's good, because other service providers won't actually send you a message. Some of them actually don't send you a message, but they start charging you and start eating into your account, whether you are prepaid, it sometimes eats into your airtime, or if you are billed monthly on contract, then you get a surprise at the end of the month. This won't happen. Once this one runs out, your internet gets cut off. Then you know you need to top up your package. Can I migrate to and from a Celsi Home Connector Flexi tariff plan? Yes, but only on new SIMs. SIMs that have been active on a Celsi network for more than 10 days will not be able to migrate to the Home Connector Flexi tariff plan. So as I said, if your SIM's older than 10 days, you won't be able to do it. You're gonna have to get a new SIM, go into the store. It's very quick, it doesn't take long. I did mine in like 5 minutes. Can you transfer your data to another Celsi user? No, you cannot. Does the Home Connector Flexi service support failover to 3G? No, it doesn't. So it's only on 4G LTE. Which frequencies does this support? Primarily on the 1800 MHz and 2300 MHz frequency. So what I'm gonna do is, I've tried it on the 1800. I just wanted you guys to view the speed test so you can be the judges for yourself. Not really impressed, but that's gonna come up later in the video. So let's take a look at LTE view. This is the signal that I'm getting. It's quite decent, not that bad. I'm connected via my external antennas. Got the network set on 4G only, and the band 03, which is 1800 MHz. So we're gonna go to speedtest.net. Ping is about 32 milliseconds. Speed is not that great. 2.3. Download. Upload is around 9 megabits per second. Let's do another speed test from a different server. Under 5 megabits download. I'm gonna go to YouTube, to one of my videos. So I'm gonna test the video quality on YouTube and see how this performs. As you can see, I've got it set to 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm gonna skip forward a bit to see how long it takes to load. So the speed is not that great, but it does play videos in HD. I guess if you're using 1 or 2 devices, then you shouldn't have a problem, but if you're trying to stream a couple of devices together, then you might get a lag. How does this package compare to Rain's 4G LTE? Well, I guess it depends. With Rain you cannot stream in HD, as you know video streaming is throttled. It totally depends on you and what your choice is. After I switch bands with Rain, I won't say I won't have any problems, but you do get the cutoffs now and then. But mostly I get over 10 megabits per second, and there's 3 TVs at home, a computer and about 4 cell phones, so I'm happy with that. I just bought the SIM, do a review, let you guys know how it is. So maybe if you're struggling with Rain, you can give Celsi a try. It's quick and easy because it's just 59 Rand, prepaid SIM, one bundle. If you don't like it, you're not tied into a contract, you can just break your SIM and throw it away. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you. Hit the subscribe button, it's free and it really helps the channel out. If you appreciate the content, let me know. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.